The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by CenterFX, your reliable partner in trading.
Alibaba's stock price increased by 1.9% last Friday, closing at $108.87 due to strong investor sentiment fueled by positive market trends and a rebound in Chinese tech stocks. The Spanish stock market index traded at around €12,900 on Monday, due to strong performance in key sectors like energy and banking, supported by positive earnings reports from major companies. WTI crude oil futures dropped below $64 per barrel on Monday, as progress in nuclear negotiations between the US and Iran eased concerns over potential supply constraints. The Japanese yen strengthened past 141 per dollar on Monday, marking a 7-month high, as the dollar weakened amid rising concerns over the Federal Reserve's independence. Bitcoin traded above $87,000 with a surge of 2.6% after its breakout from a consolidation phase, driven by increased demand and alignment with gold's rally amid a weakening US dollar. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 4 a.m., Indonesia to release the balance of trade for March, following $3 billion in February. At 2 p.m., the leading index in the US is expected to decrease, after reaching minus 0.3% in February. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the producer price inflation of March, following 0% in January. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 8 a.m., Spain to release the balance of trade for February, following a trade deficit of over €6 billion in January. At 2 p.m., the Consumer Confidence Index in the euro area is expected to decrease, after reaching minus 14.5 in March. At 9 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the Consumer Confidence Index of April, following 93.4 in March.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CenterFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.